Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean air conditioner's indoor unit. Here is my air conditioner. And I got an assistant today, it's my niece. On his body there is little dust and the dirt. You can see the dust in here and the dirts. I'm using a napkin tissue to show you how dusty is that. Now see the black stain, dirt. This is the glass cleaner. I'm going to use it. Spray it all over. Now with a cotton cloth, gently rub it. Rub it all the way. You can see it has already started sleeking. Also clean up the side parts. Clean up the ventilator. Now the other side. And the top side as well. Now turn on the AC and put the air conditioner in fan mode. When you turn on fan mode, the ventilation side is open. Spray it up. Use your finger to clean it. I have also used a toothbrush to clean the edges. Now clean up with detergent powder. After cleaning the upper surface, now open up the lid. There is a lock. Push a little bit up, and now you see the air filter. These are the air filter. Now gently wipe off. Then use the glass cleaner. Now take out both the air filter. Now clean up the air filters with detergent powder. First of all, rinse both air filter. Gently keep rubbing both the sides. Now clean up with the water. That's the comparison before and after. Now gently clean up the air filters part where it is attached. Now put back the air filters in its position. You can see how I'm doing it. We are done with indoor unit cleaning. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care. Goodbye.